The Hao Tool Pressure Washer 5000 PSI delivers very strong cleaning power that cuts through built-up grime on driveways, patios, and siding far faster than a typical consumer unit. Its touch-based control panel lets you switch among gentle, medium, and heavy pressure modes, so you can safely move from washing car paint to blasting stains off concrete without swapping machines. 4 quick connect spray tips and the included foam cannon give you flexible options for narrow jets, fan sprays, and thick suds, making it easy to match the spray pattern to each cleaning task. A retractable aluminum handle, 2 large transport wheels, and a long hose and power cable make this washer surprisingly easy to maneuver around larger yards, garages, and balconies. The automatic shutoff that cuts power when you release the trigger, along with the reinforced high-pressure hose and ground fault protection on the cord, provide a reassuring layer of safety during use. Overall, this model feels like a thoughtfully designed, high-output washer that suits homeowners who want professional-level cleaning performance in a machine that is still convenient to store and handle.